Hi, RBI has released the notification for Grade B. Now, it is the topmost entry for Reserve Bank of India. Now, it's a wonderful opportunity for UPSC aspirants, TNPSC aspirants, those who are preparing for CAT. Now, all of them can comfortably clear this exam with slight tuning and preparation for this particular exam. The exam will be held on September 8th, that is the phase 1. October there will be phase 2. Now keeping this in mind, because the salary is almost 1,11,000 entry pay itself, in addition house rent allowance also they are giving. So keeping this in mind, we are launching a program, one coaching program for RBI Grade B. So there will be 60 classes, 40 sectional tests, 10 full tests. Now why sectional test? Because sectional cutoff and sectional timing will also be there. So in Officers IAS Academy, we are launching a program for RBI Grade B, which is starting on 5th of August. Now both online mode as well as offline mode. Now if you are preparing for this, in addition, yes, NABARD and also SEBI, they are also going to release shortly. So using the same preparation, you can also apply, which will be useful for your NABARD as well as SEBI. So in case if you are interested, because the exam is going to be held September 8th, now your notification till August 16th you can apply. Now it is active, so immediately apply. In case if you are interested to join this program, please call the phone number given in the description below. Thank you from Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy.